This setup is a rock chrome processing plant. It is configured with a jaw crusher, cone crusher, ball mill, trommel screen, spiral chute separator, shaking table, etc. 1. The raw ore is fed into the raw ore hopper by an excavator or wheel loader. Under the hopper is a vibrating feeder with a grizzly bar, which can be made with a 100 mm grizzly gap. Larger than 100 mm will go to the jaw crusher for the first crushing. Less than 100 mm will down the belt conveyor under the jaw crusher, and transport the output from the jaw crusher with this same belt. 2. The jaw crusher to crush a big stone like 425 mm into a smaller one around 100 mm. 3. The crushed stone is transported to the next cone crusher for a second crushing by a belt conveyor. Crushed the stone smaller around 15 or 20 mm. 4. The crushed ore is transported to the next vibrating screen for screening. Larger than 15 or 20 mm will be sent back to crush again. Less than 15 or 20 mm goes to the next storage hopper by belt conveyor. 5. Under the hopper, there is a small electromagnetic vibrating feeder for feeding the material evenly to a belt conveyor. 6. The ball mill for grinding the small gravel into powder less than 0.5 mm. 7. The ground powder from the ball mill goes to the trommel screen for 100% screening, controlling the output as less than 0.5 mm. And formed a closed loop here. The larger than 0.5 mm part goes back to the storage hopper and then goes to the ball mill again. 8. The less than 0.5 mm slurry from the trommel screen to the first stage spiral chute separator for the first separation. Then the middlings from the first stage spiral chute go to the second stage spiral chute for separation again. 9. All the concentrates from these two-stage spiral chute separators will be sent to the shaking table for final separation.